Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. Today we will be unboxing some beautiful crafting supplies, and some of them are from my beautiful friends at Craspire, and in the description box down below you're gonna find the link for them so you can go and check them out. I'm in love with their silicone molds that you can make soaps, you can make candles, you can make fake bakes, as well as resin art. Look at that. They are so beautiful and those prices are awesome. Remember to check the description box down below so you can go and check them out. And I'm going to also leave you the link for the ones that I got. They are super cute and I'm going to show you the ones that I got a little bit later. But look at the ones that they have over there. Super cute. Now let's move on to that beautiful products that I received. And here you can see the package. Let me open it so we can get to those awesome molds. I'm gonna make fake bakes with mine, but let me show you. Look at that. It comes really well packaged, so your molds are secure. Let me get all of them out so you can see the beautiful molds that I have. And here you can see these beautiful bee ones. And look at that. This one is for soap, but I'm going to make something fake bake related. Then we have the square ones. Super cute. And look at this one. I'm in love with it. Look at that. Bees and honeycomb. I just love it. We also have some flowers over here. Super cute. This one is just perfect. Look at that. I just love those bees with the honeycomb. It's just so beautiful. Now moving on to the other ones. Here I have the ones that are cake slices. Look at that. So cute. You will pour your plaster or whatever you're using on the other side and you will get that indentations. Okay, now moving on to these ones. These ones are succulents. Yes, you pour your media over there and you will get beautiful succulents. And look at this one. I'm so in love. These are so cute. Let me show you. Look at that. Super beautiful. Moving on, we're going to grab this one. And this one looks like a cactus. Something like that. Super duper cute. Now, this one. And this one is more like a succulent, like a smaller succulent. Then we have this one, and this one is as well another type of cactus. Look at that. I cannot wait to start just making things with this. Now we have another type of cactus over here. And it has like two arms on the sides. Now we're going to move on to these ones. And these ones are for cupcakes. Yeah, super cute. You will grab your mold like this, then you will pour your media, and on the bottom you have the swirl of the cupcake. Super duper cute, and I got 3 of those. Now, moving on to the next ones. This one is one of my favorites, and this one is a bunny. And I cannot wait to make something out of this one. I got 2 of them. Now let me just cut this plastic because I cannot open it. And just let me remove it so you can see the mold. They are really good. And they are heavy and well made. Here you can see the opening for the bunny. I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm still a little bit sick. So now moving on to the last one. And this one is a lot smaller than I expected. I expected something big, because it has like cookies and thingies like that, but I don't know if I will be able to use this one for my fake bakes. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media so you can go and check me out over there. Now moving on for some Dollar Tree crafting supplies that my beautiful friend Tami from Happiness Created sent me. And here you can see the box. In the description box down below, you're going to find the link to her channel so you can go and check her out. I know you're going to love her if you haven't seen her. She's awesome. Here you can see what she sent me. And here we have this wall decal kind of thingy. It's so beautiful. I just love those colors. And it has two sides. Look at that. So beautiful. Now, moving on, we have as well this beautiful Let Go and Let God. And I just love this one. So beautiful. And look at these butterflies. I just love them. Look at that. So beautiful. Now, we have these beautiful ribbons. And I just love them, like meshy type of ribbon, off-white and white as well. Super cute. I cannot wait to work with them. Now we have this beautiful wood curl roses. And look at that. Aren't they cute? So beautiful. Now I have this friend sign. And this one, it's going to look so cute on something that I have in mind. And as well, we have this metal thingy that it's for the garden, metal ribbon. And I think it's for the garden. It is so beautiful. And I have 3 of them. All of them are different. But I just can't imagine everything I can make with it. I just love them. Now, we have these beautiful tags, and I have these square ones as well as the tag type ones. But these ones, I love them because I can make something on the back as well as on the front. And these ones are the tag size or type ones. And as well, this one has a blank back part that you can use for another sign. Super cute. Now we have a beautiful garland, like flag kind of garland. And this one, it will be perfect because it has 6, I think. Yeah, 6 banners or 6 flags. Now we have this beautiful raised stickers. Those are texture stickers. And I just love them because I know I can make something really cute out of these ones. I'm in love with them. So cute. Now, we have this type of ribbon transfers, and look at these ones in gold. I just love how beautiful they are. These ones are one of my favorites, and I just love that together is my favorite place to be. So beautiful. Now, moving on, we have this Farm Fresh Flowers one, and look at that. It is so cute. And this is the last one, and this one is like welcome farmhouse type of thingy. Super duper beautiful. Now we have these ones. And these ones, I'm so in love with them. Look at that. Those beautiful flowers. This hydrangea, I just love it. I just imagine beautiful signs made out of those. And as you can see, it has another one on the back. Even more beautiful. Now we have this cute house. It is a shiplap type of house. So beautiful to make a sign, a farmhouse sign. And it has a plain back that you can use again to make another sign. Now we have this craft fabric, and those are strips of fabric, and they are so beautiful. I just love these colors. Now we have this truck. Tami knows, I know, and I know she knows that I love me a truck and got me this one. Now we have this beautiful wreath, and I've never seen something like this. This is a beaded wreath from Dollar Tree, and I cannot wait to work with this one. Now we have these tags, and I just love these ones. They are so perfect for almost everything. And as well, we have this beautiful trims. And those are jute, like burlap trims with twine, something like that. Super cute. We have more fabric, and look at these colors. I just love those prints. They are so beautiful. Now, we have this sign, and it has like 3 signs on it. You can use them separate, or you can use them all together. They are so versatile and so awesome. Love them. And we have this like decal, like removable decal that you can use on the backsplash. And look at that. I just love that texture. It's so, so beautiful. You can make so many beautiful things with it. And we have this window clean kind of thing. And it makes anything glass a little bit frosted. And I just love that because I can do many things with that. We have this cute hearts. I got those ones before, but I never got the Dollar Tree ones, and I just saw that it comes with 4, and I got 2 last time. And then we have this beautiful wooden thingies. Those are like embellishments, and we have leaves. We have a mushroom. We have a crown, a cloud. We as well have a flower, a birdie, and some beautiful butterflies. And we have this ones as well, and we have a pot, and we have the thingy to wet the plant. And we have a potted plant. I just love them. Now moving on, we have the beautiful card that she sent me. She said some beautiful things. She's awesome and I just love her. Remember that in the description box down below, you're going to find the link to her channel so you can go and check her out. I know you're going to love her as much as I do. She's super sweet and she's so talented. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. Now, this is everything I got. I got lots of beautiful things. I just want to thank my beautiful friend Tami for sending me these goodies. I cannot wait to start working with them. And I also want to thank my awesome friends from Craspire. Remember that in the description box down below, you're going to find the links to all the molds that I got, as well as their link to the page, so you can go and check them out. Also, you will find the link to Tami's channel so you can go and check her out if you haven't. Go and check out Craspire and go and check out Tami. I know you're going to love both of them. They are awesome in their own way. And here you can see I got lots of beautiful things that I cannot wait to craft with. And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all of this. And remember to share this video with a friend because that's a free way to help this girl out. It lets YouTube know that you like this type of content and it will recommend it to other beauties like yourself. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.